So let us look at how to solve exponential equation. So we have got different types of exponential equations, but in this case we have got this interesting one. So 2 open brackets 4 to the power x minus 17 open brackets 2x close the brackets plus 8 is equal to 0. Solving this type of exponential is very simple and straightforward. So what we actually do is we have to change this to have the same as 2 to be the base. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2x, then minus 17 2 to the power x plus 8 is equal to 0. When I reach at this point, I can clearly see that I have got 2 to the power 2x and 2 to the power x. This tells me that this is a quadratic equation. So now we have to let 2 to the power x equal to something. So I will say equal to y. So wherever there is 2 to the power x, put y. So that becomes 2y. Now because there is 2 on top, that will be squared, minus 17, this becomes y because it's just 2 to the power x, plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation like I said. The product is positive 16. The sum is negative 17. Therefore, the factors that we're going to have is negative 16 and negative 1. This becomes 2y squared minus 6, or negative 16, sorry, minus 16y minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Factor out 2y, I remain with y. I remain with y minus 8. Factor out negative 1, y minus 8 is equal to 0. So 2y minus 1, then here y minus 8 being equal to 0. So now 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 8 is equal to 0. So if I shift 1 to the other side, y becomes 1 over 2. This one, y becomes 8. When you reach at this point, these are not the answers. Remember, we had to let 2 to the power x equal to something. So now our goal is to find the value of x. So we say 2 to the power x. The first answer that I found is 1 over 2. But 1 over 2 is the same as 2 to the power negative 1. So making the base to be the same, if there is a provision of making the base to be the same, then that is okay. So this can be 2 to the power negative 1. Now the base are the same, equate the power equal to each other. X is equal to negative 1. So that is the first answer that I have for x. Another one, 2 to the power x should be equal to 8. Y is equal to 8. So is there a provision of us making the base to be the same? If at all, yes. If at all we have got a provision of making the base to be the same, then we can now do that. So this is the same as 2 to the power 3. The bases are the same, equating the powers equal to each other. X is equal to 3. So these are the answers for this equation. If there is if at all you can't make the base to be the same, you introduce ln both sides. Like in this case, let us assume that we have got a situation where we have got 2 to the power x maybe is equal to 6. You can't make the base to be the same, then you introduce ln both sides. Then the property of log allows you to shift the power to become in front. So it becomes like this. In a case where you come across such questions, then you are going to divide both sides by ln 2. Even here, ln 2. In such case, if you can't make the base to be the same, then the answer becomes ln 6 divided by ln 2. That is the answer. Okay. So that is it for this question.